Hey everyone, it's me, Bekesa, and welcome back to our channel here at the Canva Cafe. And we are going to be making our own custom backgrounds. One of our subscribers requested it, so here it is. So we're just starting off with an Instagram post size, and it really doesn't matter. The only thing you have to decide is what type of background that you're going for. So I decided, really I'm just duplicating or replicating a background that I did for a flyer that I made previously, and I will show y'all that this is what it looks like, is the custom background I made down there. So I'm just trying to replicate it. So I just picked this gold element and just sized it down to make little long rectangles, and I changed the background color. And of course you would do all these things within your brand colors or whatever it is you're trying to do. And I'm just measuring the size of that the gold with the new color, because I wanted to make sure it would fit on top of it. So that's all I was doing there. And now I'm just starting to stack it. Yeah, I'm just I was just measuring it again to make sure it fit, and now I'm just positioning it however I want. You can make it go the other direction, which is vertical. You could do horizontal. Heck, you could do little triangles instead of the lines, but this tutorial is about the one that I made already. And so I'm just positioning everything, trying to figure out how many lines that I want to use, and all of this is your personal judgment. And if I sound a little weird, I just ate. I had some juicy crab and I'm kind of full. So after I'm finished, depending on how the lines line up, if you want to make sure they're evenly spaced, you would just select all of them and click the positioning button and click the tidy up button, and it would even them out. But it doesn't really work that well with these diagonal lines. So now I'm just placing the gold bar that I made previously in just different spots on the lines. And all this is just your personal preference. It was just something I had freehand made originally, so I'm just trying to replicate it the best way I can. Because a lot of times when I make things, I just make them off the top of my head. So when someone wants me to replicate it, I have to kind of think about, hey, what did I do? And things like that. So if everything doesn't look exactly the same, you know, pardon me. So now I'm just duplicating it, and I'm just showing you how you can change up the colors. So if you have more than one brand color and you want to do several versions, just duplicate it, change out the colors just like how I'm doing here. And once again, I'm just showing you how I can just swap out colors to have it, you know, to use. So then you just select the button to download, and I'm making sure I just select all the color pages I just made. I'm going to save them to my computer, and then I'm going to re-upload them into Canva. So this is the original flyer that someone asked me on how to make that custom background. So I just wanted you to see the flyer. And as you can see, I had the lines going another direction, but it is what it is. So now that I've uploaded them into Canva, now I have them for my backgrounds. And really, we're all done here. That's just how you do it. So I'm just showing you how once you upload it, you can change the transparency. You could put blur over it. You could do whatever you want to. And now our new custom background is ready for whatever our campaign is. Whatever you want to write on there, whether it be a thank you card or social media posts. And I'm just changing out different fonts just to show you different things. And then I'm just adding an effect to the fonts. I believe I'm adding the shadow effect, and I'm just playing around with the transparency, just playing around with it. And you know, I like to show you things just to be creative. And I'm playing around with the fonts down there too, and I'm also using the outline function. So it's really just that simple. And I'm just going to show you a few other backgrounds and how you could just swap it out and just come up with a bajillion pieces of content off of one simple idea. So if you like this tutorial and you're interested in any other tutorials, please leave it down in the comment section, just like my previous subscriber did. And I was so glad to recreate this. Well, I don't know how happy I was, but so now I'm showing you with that same background that we have custom. I'm now going to add my whatever it is I'm adding here, which is a picture of me, which would be, you know, that goes along with the flyer that says new arrival. And I'm just going to put a little border at the bottom with that same gold that I duplicated. I'm going to put my website at the bottom, my www. whatever your website is. And this is like really cute to post on your Instagram feed, or you can change the size to an Instagram story size, or you can still use this technique to make your own custom background for your Instagram websites. Not Instagram website, your Canva website. So once again, I'm just showing you some other design creativity because I'm just obsessed. And if you're interested in a one-on-one, just reach out to me via email or in the comment section and I can get back to you. And with my one-on-ones, I do it via Zoom. I share my screen, you share yours. I go in step by step. We can work on a project or whatever you want, if you want me to help you design something. So I love helping and I love Canva. I just wish I could be on here more often. Like I said, I'm also a nurse, so sometimes I be at those people's job and I can't get to y'all. A lot of times I've already recorded my videos, but sometimes I don't have the time to edit it, and then of course I have to do the voiceover. So please bear with me. The better my YouTube channel does, the less I have to go to those people's job. So please make sure you subscribe. Yes, subscribe. And please make sure you also share the video out. That way YouTube knows that y'all enjoy it and it's something valuable. So that way we can, you know, teach others and we can help the channel to grow. But let me know which one of these flyers was your favorite background. Let me know if you're going to try any of these or if you like more creativity videos. Just let me know. Once again, thank you for watching. And I said all that like I thought the video was finished. So these were other backgrounds. So now I'm just adding video backgrounds. So if you want to use it on your social media to have a nice video background playing in the background, or on your Canva website, you can make, you know, the little boxes where you display your products with a nice video background. So once again, now let me know which one of these you like. Thank you for watching. Y'all don't mind me. I'm just tired. Love y'all. Bye.